Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm El Malakar and this is my channel DebBab. Today's video is a very important step in my game development journey. As many of you already know, I dream of becoming a game developer. I come from a place where I have no money, no professional support, and honestly no deep technical knowledge yet. But I still want to build games that people can enjoy, and for that the first thing I need is a game engine. Now there are two ways we can go about this. 1. Build our own game engine from scratch. 2. Use an engine that already exists. And since I'm still learning and have no idea how to build something as complex as a game engine, I'm obviously choosing the second option. There are many game engines in the market. The three most popular ones are Unreal Engine, Unity, and Godot. After doing a lot of research, reading comments, and watching creators discuss their experiences, I decided to choose Unity for now. Why Unity? I'll make a separate video on that soon, explaining my reasons clearly. But for today, the mission is simple. Set up Unity on my computer. Let's go step by step. Open any browser you like. I'm using Brave. Search for Unity Hub. Click on the first official Unity website link. On the website, find the download button for your system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Click it and you will be taken to a licensing page. Don't panic, Unity has a free personal license, no money needed. Choose the free personal version and click Download Now. This will download the Unity Hub installer. Once it's downloaded, open Unity Hub on your computer. It will ask for some initial updates. After that, go to the Install section and download the latest Unity Engine version. For me, it's Unity 6, but you can choose older versions if you prefer. In the installation options, tick the modules you need. Since I want to develop mobile games at first, I selected Android build support. Wait for everything to finish installing. Once done, Unity will finally open on your system. And that's it, I have successfully installed and launched Unity on my computer. This may look like a small step, but for me, this is the very beginning of my dream. The start of my journey from absolutely nothing to hopefully something meaningful. If you also want to install Unity, there are many helpful tutorials on YouTube made by professionals. I'm still a beginner, so there may be mistakes in my explanation. But I wanted to share my experience honestly, as someone who is learning step by step from the ground up. Thank you so much for watching. This is just the beginning, and I hope you stay with me as I grow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on my other social media platforms. See you in the next video.